What's up, y'all? Today is day something. I noticed I've been having the days mixed up, so I'm gonna get to the bottom of that. But it's New York Open. It's 9:30. I'm so tired. Don't screenshot that, bro. Just woke up. Just coming straight to the P. Ain't even brush, bro. Don't do that. Let's analyze the market. Let's quickly analyze. My mouse is like really tripping. Like my scroll. Let me see. There we go. My mouse feels very off though. But alright, looking at the 5 minute. What do we see? Any gaps? No gaps visible. Obviously respectable, like support. Looking at the 15 minute, the thing that stands out. Supply zone. We are in a bullish market though. There is some demand down here. Boom. And we are in an uptrend, so catching that breakout wouldn't be bad, honestly. Gotta let the market cook up though. See what that is up to. Now it's going with trend, 5 minute. Uh, 30. Honestly. The thing is, on the 5 minute, it looks terrible. And Nas 5 minute look good. But so much reversals, bro. So much reversals. I need to wait for like the candle. I don't know, bro. Let me see. Do I want to bank on this? It's going with trend. Alright. So it's not like it's just another setup. And no, it's actually going with trend. Let me see. We're going with like 3 contracts. I don't even have nothing set up, bro. Let me pull up gold. Do I want to pull the trigger on gold? If you're scared, just say that. I'm scared. Let's let the market cook up. It's literally only been one candle. Especially with us being at a high probability zone. But what are the odds it'll just be a reversal, you know? I guess it's just something we gotta pass up on. I do not know, literally. Alright, anyways. That's like great momentum candle. It's going with trends. Like it has a gap right here though in the market. That's something to watch out for. High probability, back to back high probability demand. I didn't even peep this right here. On the 5 minute as well. So that's something. And now we can scale this up. And we can also scale this up. 2 high probability demands. It's probably even another one right here. Like, yeah, let's allow the market to cook up, allow it to do its thing. If it was the 15-minute, I probably would have got in at the break of the candle, but we're not going to get another 15 minutes to like 9:45. 30-30. I didn't really analyze this. So what do I notice? We're in a downtrend. Trend, we're bearish. Trend isn't clear though. I don't like how the wicks are moving. We still have that. We still have this 15-minute supply that didn't tap from yesterday. That tap. Okay. And then we can mark this up over here. Boom. Alright, so we got a supply and demand. I don't know if I mixed those up, but yeah. But yeah, I'm just gonna let market cook up. We're not in a rush to take any setup. And yeah. Alright, y'all, so just watch what's about to happen. I'm about to take this $200 loss. But just watch. It's kind of weird in a way on what's happening, but it's not much I can do about it. We're back to now. Now 192. It's weird. Like, I got in perfect. So this was the counter trend supply zone that I wanted to get into. High probability supply zone. Got in at the break of the candle. And then I calculated my risk. I wanted to risk 200. Wanted to risk 200. The contract, the tick per whatever thing is 10. And then the pips were 4. But it had me in that 400. So I was really confused. That had me really confused. And as you can see, I'm nowhere even near stop loss. 15-minute on gold. But when you look at trading view, it's more clear. Like, it's just weird. So that kind of threw me off. But it is what it is, I guess. Yeah, so didn't work out. Counter trend. It is what it is, right? So yeah, we'll just hit NAS. It just tapped the supply zone on NAS. At dirty 30, we almost there. But this was a setup I ended up banking on. Could I have waited for something better? Absolutely. But the day's over. Doesn't matter. Show up tomorrow. I'm gonna send this set up to the group chat. Yeah, where is it? I'm gonna have like a before and after. Yeah, let me have a before and after for this. Damn, did it tap the other supply zone? Alright, send my trades to the trading group chat. The L for today. Add this to the P&L calendar. I'm not wasting no time. And also, today is day 240. I was messing up saying like 260 and stuff. Today's day 240. So I don't know what I was on about. We took a 216.20 loss exactly. Alright, so we're done for the week, of course. Doesn't matter. Show up tomorrow, see what cooks up. And then let me just see how it look here. Yeah, we're down 268 for the week, so we're gonna see how that looks next tomorrow. Tomorrow's the last day of August and summer. Let's end it off right and then move on into I think we're still in quarter 3 for September, so let's move on to this new month. Even better, it was a pretty down month. Like I said, I'll have more thoughts on it most likely Sunday, so Sunday or Saturday, it doesn't matter, but yeah.